What's up, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. Had to make a quick video. Obviously, you can see I'm in the Beast headquarters. Just got something that kind of ordered from Jeep Beach, but not really. So I ran into this company. It's called Thors Lightening Bolt, Total Control Technology. So I ran into them. I just actually walking through the vendor row, just stumbled upon them. Met one of their reps. Super nice. She walked me through everything, how they had everything set up. So it's a total air compressing system. So I bought at Jeep Beach, I bought their tubes with their gauge where you could inflate or deflate all four tires at the same time, and it equalizes pressure through all those four tires. So you don't have one tire at like 38 PSI, the other one at 40, or even when you go lower, when you go like 15, or one at 13 and the other one at 17, you know what I mean? So I'm sure everyone out there that's ever tried to inflate all four tires one at a time knows exactly what I'm talking about. So I bought this system. I bought their kit. I thought I had a compressor that could work with it, so I wasn't really thinking about buying theirs. But, you know, my compressor was from Harbor Freight. Hey, you know what? The Harbor Freight worked good. Not with this system. So when I got home, I just went on their website and ordered their dual compressor with Total Control Technology. I think that's what Total Control. So it's pretty cool. You preset the PSI and you hook up the system and you just turn it on and it'll stop when it gets to that PSI. All four tires. So it says, I briefly went through the directions. It said that it'll stop and start, 2 to 4 times throughout the process. I'm sure that's just to kind of get a good accurate reading on the PSI, what's inside the tires, but looks cool. Let me show you. So obviously took it out of the box already. Pretty cool. Comes with a nice carrying case. Let's open this bad boy up. I didn't even open it yet. Nice zipper. Pretty decent. I believe they said that they are changing this. They are making it even better than what it is now. I don't think it's half bad, to be honest. Here is the kit. Nice little quick disconnect. Super nice. Sorry about the kids' breakfast. They ran out for school this morning. So that's just for one tire. I do have the other kit in, and that's dinner. Trying to make sushi today. So, like I said, guys, it just got delivered. I'm doing the first reaction real quick. So, cut me a break here. So I do have the other kit. I'll probably show that maybe for an upcoming event. How do I? Oh man. You know what? First thing I say, nice wrap job. Obviously matches Papa Beast, black and red. Here's the Total Control. This is the digital gauge. I was just gonna say, I need to try to lift this thing out. Get out. Get. All right, here we go. Sorry guys, I'm doing this. Holding a phone, trying to get this crap out. So it looks like it comes with a little adapters. So you can blow some air, for a ball or something, which would be cool if you guys are camping and have some balls that need to be inflated for the kids to play with, or you. Let me take this out. All right. So first impression, metal, nice, be nice and durable. This thing, I'll be honest, coming from a Harbor Freight compressor, this thing is a freaking beast, bro. This thing is nice. Nice, sturdy, nice metal, not cheap either. Doesn't feel cheap, at least. Some of these compressors that have these like cheap metal, you could kind of push on it and bend. It looks like that weak ass metal. But this is pretty stout, Thors Lightening on the side. Quick connects, nice. And the unit for all four tires is just like this. It has the quick connect. You know, you hook up all 4 tires, you hook it up, you turn this thing on, and that's it. So, yeah, guys, I mean, I am not sponsored by them at all. Like, literally, I just talked to them. I didn't even say that I had my own YouTube channel or anything. Here are some specs, if anyone even cares about it. Yeah, they actually had, now they do have, on their website, they do have mounting kits that you could, like, for Gladiators, you could mount this along the storage rack on the bed of the Gladiator and hardwire it. I know they do have hardwire kits that, I don't know if they have a kit or how they did it. Obviously, this just connects to the battery, so you could literally probably just cut this off and wire it directly to the battery. And then just, you have an on and off switch here, fused. But yeah, I know they have brackets made for each Jeep that you could hard mount it in there. I chose not to, since I have 2 Jeeps and we use it for multiple purposes. So I just wanted it standalone, and we'll put it up on the roof rack. So yeah, guys, so far I haven't used it yet. I've seen it used. Haven't used it personally, haven't used that in the field, but I just wanted to give you initial reaction. Obviously, you know me, I'll be doing some updates, not this weekend, but next weekend, May the 18th, we have Go Topless Day. So it's a national event to raise money for local charities. Prodigy, along with every off-road, I would say off-road, club in Southwest Florida, we're actually coming together. It's actually the first time ever that we've all come together for a noble cause to raise money. And we are raising money for Wounded Warrior Project. It's My Warrior's Place, which is pretty cool. She has a property that veterans and other first responders could come, and it's a safe place where they could actually camp, and that, you know, they don't have to be suffering from PTSD, but obviously it's really kind of made for that, to kind of give you some mental health days where you could just relax, fish, hang out, where you don't have to worry about the craziness of everyday life. If you guys are out there, anything like Southwest Florida, where we live in the Fort Myers area, especially us, it is crazy. Since Hurricane Ian, shit has been off the chain with building, construction, people moving in. It's just wild. For example, Tito Ortiz, UFC champion, has moved to in the Fort Myers area, and opened up a restaurant. So it's just off the chain. There's so many people, so much traffic. So I could see where first responders and veterans would need some sort of mental break from the stress of everything. So anyway, if you guys are in the local area, Southwest Florida, not part of one of these clubs, you could either reach out to them and get more information, or we would be, at the 18th, we'll be all heading to Lazy Springs out there in Hendry County off of State Road 82. Huge event, off-road park. Come, even if you're not part of a club, come hang out. If you see me, say what's up, say hi, do whatever. You know, Caden, the kids are going to be there. They're going to be playing in the water, swimming around, jumping off the apparatuses they have. I'll probably be hanging out by the campsite, kind of tool around, off-road a little bit. Yeah, so come say hi, hang out, get to know the clubs. You can even join one of the clubs. They'll be more than happy to add members in there. So if I don't see you, I'll see you. And if I do see you, I'll see you then, out on that trail.